Robert Kiyosaki is an American businessman and the author. Kiyosaki is the founder of Rich Global LLC and the Rich Dad Company, a private financial education company that provides personal finance and business education to people through their books and the videos. The company's main revenue comes from franchises of the Rich Dad seminars that are conducted by independent individuals using Kiyosaki's brand name for a fee. He is also the creator of Cash Flow Board and software games to educate adults and children about the business and various financial concepts. Kiyosaki is an interesting figure, head as unlike a lot of the older investors such as Buffett, Charlie Munger or Bill Gates, Kiyosaki has held a long time bull thesis on the Bitcoin. Kiyosaki has always been a big Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency fan. In the past, he has commented that digital currency could potentially make gold and real estate investments a thing of the past. And he mentioned that the time to buy and get involved into cryptocurrency is now. He commented that he was quite proud of buying Bitcoin before it reached a very high price. And he advised all his followers to do the same in a respective tweet. Kiyosaki is now recommending that individuals, if they don't own Bitcoin, they should buy as much silver as they could, given that he is confident the new Green Deal brought forth by Socialist New York House Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez will potentially move through in the coming future. This is a very interesting claim, considering the Green New Deal has been met with opposition from both Republicans and Democrats alike in the past. The last time members of Congress voted on the deal, it failed to win a single yeah vote, suggesting the plan is nowhere near ready and likely despised by all. Kiyosaki appears to be all over the place in his recent predictions, going so far as to claim a few months ago that the price of Bitcoin would undoubtedly fall as soon as the coronavirus pandemic comes to an end. He said that Bitcoin was likely being valued as a hedge tool and as a safe haven during these times due to the harsh economic circumstances that the world has witnessed. Thus, many fiat currencies are falling in value, and Bitcoin serves as a strong alternative. He tweeted recently that it's a good time to buy as much Bitcoin as possible right now. Dollar is decreasing in its value. You can still afford to buy silver. Once the dollar crashes, the thing that will matter is not the price, but how many coins of gold, silver or Bitcoin that you own. Since 1974, US dollar has decreased in 90% of its value. This trend might continue in the future. So it's not a good advice to tell your kids to save money. Kiyosaki argued that he doesn't save dollar because he doesn't trust the US dollar. He saves gold, silver or Bitcoin. The reason why Kiyosaki doesn't trust the US dollar is because when in 1971, the US President Nixon took the dollar off the gold standards. After the arrival of COVID, the government printed more and more money during the pandemic in the year 2020. So it's not a good idea to save money when government is printing enormous amounts of money, as this will result in the decrease in the value of the US dollar. So it's better to buy some gold, some silver and some bitcoins if you can afford rather than saving money. Silver is very affordable at this time and almost everyone can buy some silver. He believed that the mind of average person is conditioned to think about paper, fake money, fake dollar. The government is printing as much as possible and they are giving it to their rich friends, and thus the interest rates will decrease. In 1974, they were giving 15% interest if you keep $1 million in your bank saving. At that time, it was a very good investment. Many people made so much money by just putting their money in savings in banks. So in 1974, $1 million were worth $150,000 as they were paying 50% as the interest. In 1974, if you retire with $1 million and you put them in the bank, you will be making around $150,000 every year, which is a very good amount of money. But if you put $1 million in bank in today's time, they will only give you 2% interest, which means that right now, $1 million are worth only $20,000, and after taxes, these $20,000 will be worth $15,000. Thus, we can say that since 1974, US dollar has lost 90% of its value. So advising your children to save money is very stupid. According to him, new government has to print so much new money just to pay for all the social entitlement programs so people don't riot. So saving money at this time is not a great idea. Instead, people should buy gold, silver and some Bitcoin. He says that in the year 2000, I started buying gold for $2,050 an ounce. And today it's worth 10 times that much. And silver was worth 2 or 3 at that time, and now it's 30. And the Bitcoin when he bought was worth $9,000, and now it's worth over $1 million. He states that the reason for it is not the gold, silver or Bitcoin, but the incompetence and corruption of the Federal Bank, US Treasury and the Wall Street. He believes that there is no point in comparing which one is better, either gold or Bitcoin. The question is, how much do you have? You should only save money if you trust the US government or the central banks. The benefit of investing in Bitcoin is that it is just a number in your head and you can run with it. The problem with the US dollar is that the more it drops in value, the more they will print it. While the more value a Bitcoin gets, the lesser they print it. So when the price goes up, the quantity goes down. When asked about whether Bitcoin will lose its value after the vaccine comes out, Kiyosaki says that the problem is not the pandemic. The actual problem is residing in our economic system. He also flips from his previous statements and says that gold, silver and Bitcoin can also be investments of disaster. If everything was perfect, we don't need gold, silver and Bitcoin. Now the economy is controlled by the Feds and the US Treasury and free market is completely vanished, and thus it separated the price of a stock from the fundamentals of stock. So when the vaccine comes out and happy days are back, then the real problems will always be the economy. Kiyosaki said that there is no correlation right now between the price of stocks and underlying fundamentals. He stated gold, silver and Bitcoin will crash once the vaccine will come out. Information is the key for the future, and that's why you got to be up to date every minute, because that's what zero interest rates are saying. We don't want your money. Because if you are saving money and banks are not paying you the interest on your saving, then your money is losing its value because US dollars is decreasing. He also mentions that the crash in gold, silver and Bitcoin will be a massive buying opportunity. So guys, if you found this video informative, please make sure to like this video and share it with your financial friends. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a nice day.